Alright, let's get straight to it. Is the Fiio DM15 R2R just another overhyped gadget, or is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? If you're deep into the audiophile game, you already know Fiio doesn't really mess around. The DM15 R2R is their portable CD player and DAC amp combo, and people in the community are buzzing about that R2R DAC. What's the big deal? R2R tech uses a resistor array. Think warm, smooth, supernatural sound that's honestly easy on the ears for hours. Some say it loses a bit of detail compared to Delta Sigma DACs, but if you're after a musical and analog feel, this thing delivers. Let's talk build. This is no toy. It's a chunky all-aluminum brick, with physical buttons and a legit volume knob. The lid is glass, but heads up, it's not something I'd throw in a backpack and take for a jog. It's more transportable than pocketable. Perfect for a desk, coffee shop, or cozy listening nook. Feature-wise, Fiio packed this thing. Play CDs, rip CDs, use it as a desktop DAC amp, stream via Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX, although, sorry LDAC fans, it's not here. Plug in demanding cans with the 4.4mm balanced output. This thing pushes enough power for just about any headphone you throw at it. Now, the not-so-awesome bits. A few users caught some Bluetooth quirks, and you might notice a quiet spinning noise from the disc. Even more so if you listen at super low volumes. There's also a little roll-off in the sub-bass, so if you're a bass head, you'll want to know that. Bottom line, if you want a premium analog listening experience, love your CD collection, and want all-in-one flexibility, the DM15 R2R is absolutely legit, not a scam. It's a niche device, but if it fits your vibe, I say go for it.